The next topic is multiplication of determinants. These are the two determinants given to you, and this is of order 2 cross 2 determinant, and this is also of order 2. So here, multiplication of determinants is similar to the multiplication of matrices. Yes. So here you can use the row by column approach. That is multiplying a row with its column. You'll get the first element over here. That is A1 L1 plus B1 L2. Next, multiplying this first row with the second column. You'll get the A12 element. That is A1 M1 plus B1 M2. Next, multiplying the second row with the first column. You will get the A21 element, that is A2 L1 plus B2 L2. Next, multiplying second row with second column in the next determinant, you will get A22 element, that is A2 M1 plus B2 M2. And this is also of order 2. Now, in matrices, in the multiplication of matrices, just we have used the approach, that is the row by column approach in the matrices. But here you are allowed to use any approach, either row by column by row by row, and column by column. You are allowed to use any one of these approach, but most commonly we will use this approach because we have already learned in the matrices chapter, so that we are not confused in it. Why we can use these three approaches? Well, the answer won't change. Yes, the final answer won't change. Why? Because from these two determinants, if you keep the first determinant as it is, A1, B1, A2, B2, into. Here, we have already learned in the properties that the determinant of A transpose will be determinant A itself. The determinant of A transpose is nothing but determinant of A itself. So we can transpose this. That is, rows becomes columns and column become row. So when we do that, if we do the row by row approach, we will get the same answer, right? Similarly, you can use the column by column or column by row. So let's see a question on this. In this question, two determinants of order 2 are given to you, and we need to multiply these determinants. So let us apply row by column approach itself. So you are multiplying the first row with the first column over here. So you will get it as log 3512 into log 23 plus log 43 into log 34. Now, first row with the second column. You will get it as log 3512 into log 3 base 8 plus log 3 base 4 into log 4 base 3. Now, second row with the first column. This is the second row of first determinant, and this is the first column of second determinant. So log 8 base 3 into log 3 base 2 plus log 9 base 4 into log 4 base 3. Now, second row with the second column. So log 8 base 3, log 3 base 8 plus log 9 base 4 into log 4 base 3. So now you need to simplify this. We know a log property, that is log A base B is nothing but log A upon log B. So use this property and simplify over here. So log 512 base 3 is nothing but log 512 upon log 3 and to log 3 upon log 2. plus log 3 upon log 4, log 4 upon log 3. Similarly, do for all the remaining elements over here. Cancel few terms. Log 3 gets cancelled. Here log 4 and log 3 also gets cancelled. Log 3, and log 4 and log 3. Similarly, here log 3, log 4, log 3 and log 4. So just simplify the remaining elements. You can write it as like this. Log 512. So what is log 512? It's nothing but log 2 power 9. And base we have log 2. Plus 1 it is because nothing is there. And here also log 512 can be written as 2 power 9. And 8 can be written as 2 cube plus 1. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube upon log 2 plus 9 can be written as 3 square upon log 3. And sorry, here log 8 and log 8 gets cancelled. So 1 will be left out plus log 9 is nothing but 3 square upon log 3. So now again we have a one more property that log a power b is nothing but b log a. So if we write log 2 power 9, it becomes 9 times of log 2 upon log 2 plus 1 and 9 times of log 2 upon 3 times of log 2 plus 1 and 3 times of log 2 upon log 2 plus 2 times of log 3 upon log 3, 1 plus 2 times of log 3 upon log 3. So again you can cancel terms over here. Log 2, log 2, log 2, log 2, log 3 and log 2. So the final answer is 9 plus 1, 10. 9 by 3, it's nothing but 3 itself. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. And 2 plus 1, 3. So when you calculate its determinant, that is 30 minus 20 is nothing but 10. So 10 is the final answer to this question.